Ladies and gentlemen, so I am back on the health kick. It's been a while and I really need it after this whole quarantine thing. So, got some soup going with some courgettes, some sebas, however you pronounce it, fillets, boiled some vegetables, so that's broccoli, green beans and some carrots. And I'm just going to add some cumin, black pepper to this fish right here to give it a bit of seasoning. For some of my they're like organic kind of fries, some fruits, and yeah, that's not really mine, but yeah, all good. So from now on I'm just gonna start cooking like I used to before. There's a whole story behind this anyway, I'll tell you later on, but yeah, this is a meal that's really quick. All you gotta do is just boil those together, boil the soup. This is gonna take a few minutes just to fry on both sides. Shallow fry, I'm not gonna deep fry them. I used to fry a lot of stuff in here, but no need for that anymore. I'll take some snaps of it in a short while. A big mouth, look at that. Just completely destroyed them both. It's alright, don't worry about it. They're all gonna end up in the same place anyway. Yeah, that's my stomach. Yeah. I need to give my wife some as well, don't I? Yeah, alright, okay. This is just a disclaimer message. If you're not normally the one cooking or the one, you know, in the kitchen, and you do decide to take over, make sure that you know what you're doing. As you can see, the pots and pans are pink, so you know, those are my wife's choice. And whenever I do try to cook, she's always trying to, you know, make sure that I do it properly. And made a little bit of a mistake. That's to say, she did get a bit annoyed, and you know, we ended up eating on our kids' plates, which were quite interesting, quite nice. It was a bit of a form of torture, but yeah, I'm still alright. I'm still okay. Don't worry about it. But yeah, just you know, a bit of advice: if you are going to cook, make sure you know what you're doing.